Namaskar Mandali. Today we are going to learn more about Mumbai. Since Mumbai police is in news so much, I thought चलो उन पे थोड़ा research करते हैं so we can learn about the organization more. In this video, you will learn about Mumbai police का history, their organization and their structure, what they stand for, and we'll also solve a छोटा सा mystery. Is Mumbai police the second best police in the world? Is it? तर चला चालू करूया. As I have mentioned before, Mumbai used to be a group of islands. And Mumbai police का history भी इन islands से start होता है. During the 1600s, when the British were just starting in India, उनका headquarters used to be in Surat. But British का governor Aungier wanted to shift to Bombay. उसको लगा Bombay would be a better location, and hence he started developing Bombay. As Bombay started growing, the governor knew that he would need police to maintain law and order. There were already gangs in Bombay that were looting sailors and their ships. Governor Aungier को लगा कि अगर इंग्लैंड से पुलिस मंगाएंगे तो महंगा पड़ जाएगा, इसलिए उसने लोकल्स को भी भर्ती करके एक पुलिस यूनिट खड़ा कर दिया. This unit was called the Bhandari Militia. ब्रिटिश गवर्नर ने जिनको रिक्रूट किया था वो सब भंडारी कम्युनिटी को बिलोंग करते थे और उनका मेन प्रोफेशन था ताड़ी बनाना, और इसलिए ये पुलिस यूनिट का नाम भी भंडारी मिलिशिया पड़ गया. Let me share a historical footage I found about this incident. Hey तुम्हारा बॉडी अच्छा है, तुम क्या करता है? साहब मैं ताड़ी बनाता हूँ. ताड़ी पुलिस का काम करेगा. साहब जेवायला मिलना, खाने को मिलेगा, खाने को मिलेगा, और जो मस्ती करेगा उसको धोने को भी मिलेगा. तो कर रहा ना, करेगा. As time progressed, the Bombay police became more and more professional. But for centuries, all the officer position British लोग के पास ही था. Only the constable positions or low-ranking positions were given to the locals. This changed in 1860s when a local Mumbai wala was made an officer. But it was only after India got Azadi on 15th August 1947 that a local was appointed at the topmost position of Bombay police. J.S. Bharucha became the first Indian police commissioner of Bombay. But what does Mumbai police stand for? I like to look at logos to see what is it that they are representing. This is Mumbai police ka logo. Let's look at it and see if we can find out what it stands for. As you can see in the center, this is a symbol of talwar, and उसके ऊपर तराजू, which is the symbol of justice. The talwar stands for power. और उसके नीचे you have olive leaves, which represents peace. And उसके ऊपर we have the Ashoka pillar with the 4 lions, the animals, and the Ashoka chakra in the middle representing India. So according to me, what the logo is trying to represent is that Mumbai police will try to maintain peace, will try to provide justice, and if necessary, use force to achieve that. But they will do this all under the constitution, under the symbol of India. And these lines growing out from the logo, it seems as if that means the Mumbai police will do this so that the city is able to grow. And under that, you have the motto of the Mumbai police, Sad Rakshanay, Khal Nigranay, which means to protect good and destroy evil. But according to Mumbai police website, they have a new motto, which goes more in lines with the present times. Sadaiva Tatpar, Sadaiva Madatis, which means always prompt, always helpful. But how does one join Mumbai police? There are 3 ways to get into the force. You can either join as a constable, as an inspector, or as a commissioner. To join as a constable, there's a direct examination that you have to give based on vacancies. Mumbai police take out recruitment examinations, and if selected, you join at the lowest rank, which is of a constable.
मेरे को ऐसा publicity नहीं, सिर्फ ड्यूटी करने का बस.
Then there is an examination which is conducted by Maharashtra Public Service Commission, MPSC, which is for officer level. And when you go through this examination and are selected, you join at the inspector level. And the third way to get in is through UPSC. Union Public Service Commission conducts examination throughout the country, and based on your merit, तुम लोग Indian Police Service join कर सकते हैं. When you join the force through Indian Police Service, you come in at the commissioner level. Now let's take a look at their structure. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, मुंबई पुलिस के हेड पे है द कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस, who reports directly to the Home Minister of the state. But under him, there are 5 joint commissioner of police who each head different departments of the police. The 5 departments are law and order, economic offense wing, traffic, crime, and administration. But usually Mumbaikars have to deal with only the law and order department and the traffic department. The traffic department is probably the one you have to deal with the most. Oh mama जाओ दिया ना. But it is the law and order department under which your local police station comes. The Mumbai police website does a good job of showing that how Mumbai is divided into 5 different regions and further divided into 13 different zones which have 91 police stations in total. Each police station is led by a senior police inspector. The Mumbai police website also goes down into the details of every police station where you can see who is the in charge, who is the commissioner of that zone and who is the commissioner of that region and so on. I highly recommend all Mumbaikars to look at the website and to find out कि तुम लोग का घर कौन से पुलिस स्टेशन के अंदर आता है और उसका इंचार्ज कौन है.
भूल मत, मेरे कंट्रोल में 10 पुलिस स्टेशन है जिसमें से तेरा
मेरे कंट्रोल में सिर्फ यही एक पुलिस स्टेशन है.
Because you don't know when it might come useful. Now is the time to solve the mystery. तुम लोग में से कई लोगों ने ये सुना होगा कि मुंबई पुलिस इज द सेकंड बेस्ट पुलिस इन द वर्ल्ड एंड नंबर 1 इज स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड.
सर ये थोड़ा अजीब नहीं है?
पुलिस का नौकरी ही अजीब है.
First of all, Scotland Yard doesn't mean Scotland ka police. You see, the old headquarters of London police used to be on a street called Scotland Yard, and hence the police force itself got the nickname Scotland Yard. Now for the second part of the mystery. In 1860s, Bombay was buzzing as a city. The trade was at its peak, so much so that they used to say that Bombay is second only to London in the entire British Empire. During this time, Sir Frank Sauter was appointed as the police commissioner of Bombay, and it was he who said that he wants to lay the foundation for a police force that would go on to become a police force of such great stature that it would be second only to the Scotland Yard. Thank you everyone for watching. This was a small trailer of Mumbai. There is obviously so much more to learn and so much more to know. I can keep going about their achievements or their shortcomings, but that was not the intention of this video. मेरा काम है बस एक चिंगारी लगाना, बाकी तुम लोग देख लो. But I will definitely leave some links for those who are interested in the description below.